So this is a showcase of the demonstration LockPDF web application. The purpose of this application is to broadcast a PDF file to the blockchain and lock it with a time lock mechanism. This time lock mechanism ensures that the UTXO, which contains the PDF, cannot be unlocked until a certain date has passed. An useful side effect of this is that the PDF cannot be pruned until that time. Effectively, this gives me an assurance that the PDF will be accessible within that time frame. If you think about it, this mechanism alone is already pretty useful for example, for businesses who have to keep track of records, invoices and stuff like that for 10 or 20 years without relying on like a centralized cloud provider or even having their own infrastructure for that. Additionally, this PDF will be inscribed to an ordinal. And what that means is it basically turns it into an NFT. And using Ascript, you can encode arbitrary rules to this NFT. For example, you could encode rules of, transferring ownership or rules for clearance, basically restricting the document to be able to be viewed by a certain group of people and not for others, and much more. But the purpose of this app for now is just to showcase how you would create such a token. So let's just select some PDF file. The app will have a preview of that PDF, so this is just an example, just a simple 2-page PDF. Let's also pick a date until the document should be kept, so let's just keep it for a month or so, and hit submit. So this will prompt your wallet and you just hit commit. There you go, and this will just show you the transaction ID of where the PDF is contained. So in the block explorer, we can already see that this is an ordinal, so basically an NFT. And if you open the output and hit decode, even here we can view the contents of the PDF file. Now again, because this is an ordinal, that means that every ordinal wallet which supports PDF files will display this ordinal as an NFT in your wallet. Now, because this PDF might contain some sensitive data that you don't want to reveal to the public, like in this example, now anyone could view this PDF no matter from where you access it. We also added an option for encryption. So if we pick the PDF again, choose some date, and enable this use encryption option, then the PDF data in the transaction will be encrypted. So let's hit submit again. Okay, so now because the key for the encryption is basically your wallet's key, that means if you're logged into your wallet, then you can actually view the PDF's content. But if you go to the transaction in a block explorer and try to hit decode again, it will show you an error, and that's fine because the data is encrypted. That means no one is able to view the contents of it. Now we can also try to view this same link from an incognito window, which means we don't have the wallet's access. It will also show you that it failed to load the PDF file, which is good. Finally, let's just quickly show what would happen if this deadline is actually reached. So let's just pick the date for today, hit submit. Okay, it will just simply display on withdrawal option, and that way you can withdraw to any Bitcoin address you like. And what I mean by withdrawal is transferring the ownership of the ordinal that carries our PDF. And again, because this is just underneath a simple ordinal, that means you could send to any ordinal address, to any ordinal compatible wallet that you would like.